welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you this Physocarpus that I have in this corner of the garden today. It's a lovely plant that can add a different color to your garden or border if you want other than green foliage. So this is the plant tucked in this corner of my garden, and you can see how it's contrasting the green fern that is below it. And I'll move back so that I can have a fuller view of it as it contrasts other plants that has green foliage around it. So there you go. The contrast is more obvious with the akuba at the bottom and then another plant that has green foliage next to it. So if you're looking for an interest that is not green in your garden, this is one you can go for. It is suitable for low maintenance gardens, and we can use it as an edge as well as a screen because it can get as tall as 2 meters if you allow it, and the spread can be that much as well. But I think I'm going to be pruning mine to curtail it to this area or the section of the garden. And it is suitable for all weather. It prefers moist but well drained soil. I don't have that problem here in this area of the garden because the soil is well drained and it's moist most of the time, so it is doing well. I've not had cause to prune mine seriously because this is just about 4 years old. It's one of the first things I acquired when I started gardening, one of the shrubs. So I've not had the experience of pruning it, but it is recommended that you prune it annually to encourage strong healthy shoots and improve the flowering. Again, this one has not flowered as well, so it's just so lovely here, and I think I'm enjoying it so much in this corner of the garden. So you may want to think about it if you want a different color other than green in your edge. And the structure of it is such that it fans out from the bottom, so if you have a lot of space you can give it room to do its business. Just focusing this so you can see the contrast of the between the leaves of the Physocarpus and this nice green foliage in the border. So I hope you've enjoyed this and hope to see you at another time. Please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification button so you can receive an alert when a new video has been made. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.